Bone health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, yet many misconceptions persist, particularly regarding calcium supplements. A shocking revelation is that bones are not solely composed of calcium. They are complex structures made up of various minerals and proteins that work together to maintain strength and integrity. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of a balanced intake of minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, which play vital roles in bone formation and maintenance. She points out that relying solely on calcium supplements can lead to imbalances that may hinder bone health rather than promote it. This understanding sets the stage for a deeper exploration of natural methods to rebuild bone density. Instead of focusing solely on calcium, we should consider a holistic approach that includes a diverse diet rich in essential nutrients, weight-bearing exercises, and lifestyle choices that support bone strength. By addressing these misconceptions and embracing a more comprehensive view of bone health, we can empower ourselves to take proactive steps toward maintaining strong bones throughout our lives. This journey will not only enhance our understanding of bone health, but also guide us in making informed choices for our well-being. The misconception that calcium supplements are essential for bone health is prevalent, yet it warrants a critical reevaluation. Dr. Barbara O'Neill argues that these supplements may not only be unnecessary, but could potentially cause harm. She highlights that an over-reliance on calcium supplements can lead to imbalances in the body, which may contribute to health issues rather than prevent them. Alarmingly, statistics reveal that 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men over the age of 50 are at risk of fractures, underscoring the urgency of addressing bone health comprehensively. This statistic serves as a wake-up call, prompting us to rethink calcium's role in maintaining strong bones. Rather than viewing calcium as the sole hero in bone health, it is essential to recognize the importance of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients, such as magnesium, vitamin D, and protein, which all contribute to bone density. By shifting our focus from merely supplementing calcium to fostering a holistic approach to nutrition and lifestyle, we can better support our bones and reduce the risk of fractures as we age. This paradigm shift is crucial for promoting long-term bone health and overall well-being. Bones are far more complex than merely being a reservoir of calcium. They are composed of 76 different minerals, with 12 essential minerals playing critical roles in their structure and function. These essential minerals include calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, copper, manganese, boron, silicon, iron, fluoride, and vitamin D. Each of these minerals contributes uniquely to bone health, working in harmony to maintain strength and resilience. A balanced mineral intake is vital, as deficiencies or excesses can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to weakened bones and increased fracture risk. To illustrate this complexity, consider the analogy of a symphony orchestra. Just as each musician plays a specific instrument to create a harmonious sound, each mineral in our bones contributes to their overall health and integrity. If one musician is out of tune or missing, the entire performance suffers. Similarly, when our diet lacks the necessary minerals, our bones cannot function optimally. Understanding this intricate composition emphasizes the importance of a varied diet rich in essential nutrients, allowing us to support our bones effectively and promote long-term skeletal health. Using unrefined salt, such as Celtic and Himalayan salt, can significantly benefit bone health by providing essential minerals that are often lacking in our diets. These salts are rich in trace minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which play vital roles in maintaining bone density and overall health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends replenishing minerals by consuming unrefined salt before drinking water, as this practice can enhance mineral absorption and support hydration. By doing so, we can ensure that our bodies receive the necessary nutrients to maintain a balanced mineral profile. It's crucial to understand that focusing solely on increasing calcium intake is not enough. Achieving a proper mineral balance is essential for optimal bone health. An excess of calcium without adequate levels of other minerals can lead to imbalances that may compromise bone strength. By incorporating unrefined salt into our diets, we can promote a more holistic approach to nutrition, ensuring that our bones receive a diverse array of minerals. This strategy not only supports bone health, but also contributes to overall well-being, highlighting the importance of a balanced intake of essential nutrients for maintaining strong and resilient bones throughout life. To support bone health, incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Dark green leafy vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and collard greens, are excellent sources of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for maintaining bone density. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of fractures. Sesame seeds are another powerhouse for bone health, packed with calcium and magnesium, as well as zinc and copper, which are vital for bone formation and repair. Additionally, chickpeas provide a wealth of nutrients, including protein, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to robust bone structure. By including these foods in your meals, you can enhance your nutritional intake and promote better bone health. It's easy to add dark leafy greens to salads or smoothies, sprinkle sesame seeds on dishes for added crunch, or incorporate chickpeas into soups and stews. Encouraging viewers to embrace these nutrient-rich foods not only supports their bone health, but also fosters a more balanced and varied diet. By making these simple dietary changes, individuals can take proactive steps toward maintaining strong bones and overall well-being. Lifestyle habits play a crucial role in enhancing or hindering bone health. One of the most important factors is sunlight exposure, which is essential for the production of vitamin D. This vitamin is vital for calcium absorption in the body, helping to maintain strong bones. Regular exposure to sunlight can significantly boost vitamin D levels, promoting better bone density. Additionally, engaging in rebounding exercises, such as jumping on a mini trampoline, has been shown to be an effective way to build bone density. This low-impact activity stimulates bone growth and strengthens muscles, making it an excellent choice for individuals of all ages. However, certain lifestyle choices can negatively impact bone health. High consumption of caffeine, sugar, and alcohol can lead to decreased calcium absorption and increased bone loss. Furthermore, tobacco use has been linked to reduced bone density and a higher risk of fractures. By being mindful of these habits and making healthier choices, individuals can significantly improve their bone health. Emphasizing the importance of sunlight, incorporating rebounding into fitness routines, and avoiding detrimental substances can create a supportive environment for maintaining strong and healthy bones throughout life. Adequate sleep plays a vital role in maintaining bone health, yet it is often overlooked in discussions about wellness. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to decreased bone formation, as the body relies on restorative sleep to repair and regenerate tissues, including bone. During deep sleep, the body produces growth hormone, which is essential for bone growth and density. Without sufficient rest, this process is hindered, potentially increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Therefore, it is crucial for individuals to prioritize sleep as a fundamental component of their bone health strategy. Encouraging viewers to establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a restful environment can significantly enhance their overall well-being. Additionally, adopting a balanced approach to work, play, and rest is essential for maintaining not only bone health, but also overall health. By ensuring that time is allocated for relaxation and leisure activities, individuals can reduce stress and promote better sleep quality. This holistic approach fosters a lifestyle that supports both physical and mental health, ultimately contributing to stronger bones and improved quality of life. Emphasizing the importance of sleep alongside nutrition and exercise can empower individuals to take proactive steps toward achieving optimal bone health. In summary, maintaining natural bone health requires a multifaceted approach that emphasizes the importance of a diverse mineral intake for strong bones. Essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D work together to support bone density and overall skeletal integrity. A well-rounded diet rich in dark green leafy vegetables, sesame seeds, and chickpeas can provide these vital nutrients. Additionally, sunlight exposure is crucial for vitamin D production, which enhances calcium absorption, while regular exercise, particularly weight-bearing activities like rebounding, helps stimulate bone growth. Equally important is the role of adequate rest, as sleep is essential for the body's repair processes, including bone regeneration. Viewers are encouraged to be mindful of habits that may deplete minerals, such as excessive caffeine, sugar, alcohol, and tobacco use, as these can negatively impact bone health. By adopting a holistic approach that incorporates a balanced diet, sufficient sunlight, regular physical activity, and restorative sleep, individuals can significantly enhance their bone health. This comprehensive strategy not only supports strong bones but also contributes to overall well-being, empowering individuals to take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Prioritizing these elements can lead to lasting benefits for bone health throughout life. In this video, we explored a holistic approach to bone health, emphasizing the importance of a diverse mineral intake, a balanced diet, sunlight exposure, regular exercise, and adequate rest. Key takeaways include the significance of incorporating essential nutrients from foods like dark green leafy vegetables, sesame seeds, and chickpeas, as well as the role of vitamin D in calcium absorption. We also highlighted the benefits of engaging in weight-bearing exercises, such as rebounding, and the necessity of prioritizing sleep for optimal bone regeneration. By being mindful of habits that may deplete minerals, such as excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining strong bones. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content focused on health and wellness. Additionally, we invite you to explore related topics on our channel or website, where you can find more resources and tips to support your journey toward better bone health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.